This week, get 25% off Anthony's favorite products for hair detox as we continue through our 80 days of sales. Our Zen Detox Hair and Scalp Mask is a powerful blend of natural ingredients that removes buildup and toxins from your hair and scalp, leaving your hair feeling clean and refreshed. A must-have for the early days of hair and scalp detox, and a great product to use any time of the year to cleanse and detox your scalp from pollutants in our everyday environment. Lip hair is a thing of the past with our Sapphire volumizer mist. Detoxifying tea tree and eucalyptus oils go the extra mile in this mist by providing lightweight conditioning as well as adding volume to hair that's easily weighed down by heavier conditioners. Detox hair don't care. The Morrocco Method Beanie is a cute and cozy addition to your detox routine to cover hair that's still in the throes of detox. Not to mention, it's great to put over your henna hair color after your hair is wrapped up in order to trap your natural body heat, enhancing the effectiveness of the dye. Boar bristle brushes are a vital part of detox and help to pull your natural sebaceous oils from root to tip. For fine, thin hair, we recommend our 100% natural pure boar bristle brush. For hair that's thick, we recommend our mixed pure boar bristle and nylon brush. Make sure to check out our how-to videos on correctly brushing your hair. Morrocco Method's Scalp Massager and Invigorator is an essential tool, not just for detox, but for encouraging new hair growth as well. Our 100% natural rubber massager helps to stimulate and draw blood into your scalp to encourage hair growth, while helping to exfoliate the scalp and unclog follicles. Plus, if you purchase any of Anthony's favorite products for detox, you'll also get a free surprise 2-ounce product in your box. Head over to MorroccoMethod.com to take advantage of this sale.